Orthodontic bracket, the anchor point, a tiny square piece of metal or ceramic. The orthodontist uses a powerful adhesive to glue one of these brackets to the exact center of every single tooth, creating a solid track to push and pull your smile into place. Arch wire, the track, a thick U-shaped wire made of stainless steel or titanium memory alloy. This wire is physically threaded through every single bracket in your mouth. Because the metal constantly tries to return to its original shape, it exerts continuous, massive pressure on your teeth to force them into alignment. Ligature tie, the colored rubber band, a tiny, highly elastic O-ring. These are the colorful bands you choose at the orthodontist. They are stretched tightly over the four corners of each metal bracket, permanently locking the heavy arch wire firmly into the slot. Orthodontic pliers, the wire benders, a heavy-duty, highly specialized set of stainless steel pliers. Featuring short, incredibly strong beaks, the orthodontist uses these to forcefully grip, twist, and permanently bend the thick arch wires exactly where they need them. Distal end cutter, the wire sniper, a terrifying-looking cutting tool with a built-in safety mechanism. When the arch wire pokes into the back of your cheek, the orthodontist uses this tool to snip off the excess metal and safely hold on to the sharp clippings so you don't swallow it. Dental dam, the rubber shield, a thin, stretchy square of latex or nitrile. During a root canal, the dentist punches a tiny hole in the sheet and stretches it completely over the infected tooth. This isolates the tooth in a completely sterile field, preventing your saliva from ruining the complex procedure. Dental dam clamp, the anchor ring, a small, highly tensioned piece of spring steel. Using specialized forceps, the dentist stretches this metal clamp wide open and places it directly around the base of your tooth, securely locking the rubber dental dam perfectly in place. Endodontic file, the nerve scraper, a terrifyingly thin needle-like hand tool covered in microscopic metal barbs. During the root canal, the dentist pushes this tiny file deep into the roots of your tooth, violently scraping out the dead, infected nerve tissue from the inside out. Paper points, the microscopic towels, tiny, sterile, tightly rolled cones of highly absorbent paper. Once the tooth's root is completely hollowed out and washed, the dentist slides these tiny paper spikes deep down into the root canal to perfectly dry them out before sealing them. Gutta percha, the rubber filler. Tiny, pink, rubbery cones made from the sap of tropical trees. This is the final step of the root canal. The dentist melts and packs these rubber cones completely into the hollowed-out root, permanently sealing it so bacteria can never re-enter the tooth. Impression tray, the mold maker. A heavy-duty, U-shaped metal or plastic tray filled with thick, goopy alginate material. The dentist presses this firmly over your entire arch of teeth to capture a perfect three-dimensional physical negative of your bite. Dental spatula, the plaster mixer. A heavy, flat-bladed stainless steel hand tool. Because dental cement, plasters, and impression materials set incredibly fast, the assistant uses this wide, flat blade to aggressively and rapidly whip the powders and liquids together before they turn to stone. Shade guide, the color matcher. A plastic palette holding dozens of fake ceramic teeth in varying shades of white and yellow. Before making a permanent crown or veneer, the dentist holds these samples directly up to your natural teeth to ensure the new artificial tooth blends in invisibly. Dental crown, the artificial armor. A custom-milled hollow cap made of solid porcelain, ceramic, or gold. When a tooth is severely cracked or decayed, the dentist grinds the natural tooth down to a tiny peg and permanently cements this indestructible helmet over the top to save it. Ultrasonic scaler, the plaque blaster. A high-tech handpiece with a vibrating metal tip. It pulses at up to 30,000 times per second. The dental hygienist uses this violent microscopic vibration paired with a high-pressure water jet to instantly shatter rock-hard tartar off your teeth. Sickle Scaler, the manual scraper. A terrifying bubble-ended stainless steel hand tool featuring curved, razor-sharp blades. After the ultrasonic water blaster does the heavy lifting, the hygienist uses these sharp hooks to manually scrape away any tiny remaining microscopic flecks of calculus clinging to the enamel. Profi Angle, the tooth polisher. A small plastic attachment fitted with a ribbed rubber cup that spins at high speeds. At the very end of your cleaning, the hygienist fills the spinning rubber cup with gritty paste to aggressively buff the enamel, removing deep coffee stains and leaving your teeth perfectly smooth. Intraoral camera, the digital wand. A high-definition LED-illuminated video camera packed into a wand the size of a toothbrush. The dentist slides this deep into your mouth, beaming incredibly detailed, magnified live video directly to a massive monitor so you can see exactly what they see. X-ray sensor, the digital film. A thick, flat, rectangular digital sensor attached to a data cable. Protected by a sterile plastic sleeve, you bite down hard on this uncomfortable square while the dentist fires an X-ray beam, instantly generating a high-resolution digital image of your jawbone on the computer. Lead apron, the radiation shield. A massive, incredibly heavy garment lined with actual solid lead. Before the X-ray machine is ever turned on, the assistant drapes his heavy armor completely over your chest and neck to physically block scatter radiation from reaching your vital organs.